Hello guys, Lifehackster here. Just a quick video on one of the features of the eufyCam S3 Pro that Eufy finally added. I checked and tested out the eufyCam S3 Pro about 3 months ago, and I will link that video in the description down below if you haven't seen it yet. And one of the features of this camera, which was not ready when initially launched, is that it can be wired in so that you are able to set it to record 24/7. And now we are able to do that with the latest firmware update. Eufy rolls out this update and updates the camera and the home base 3 automatically. But here is my latest version of the camera's firmware and also of the home base 3. Eufy also sent me this USB cable, USB-A to USB-C, that we can use to power up this camera. This is just the cable though, no power adapter or power charger included. But this is 15 feet in length and has that rubber ring on the plug to get a good weather sealing when plugged into the eufyCam S3 Pro. Let's test this out. And you will need a 5V 2 amp power charger to power this up. You can then go to the settings of the S3 Pro, Power Manager, and you will see the battery life. And now you have a direct power option. And on this mode, you will have a 4-second pre-recording when motion is detected. And also you can set it to record 24/7 directly to the home base 3. So let's turn it on. And it says here that you will need a 5V 2 amp power supply. Click next and it will test the connection. And now it is in wired mode. And you will get a notification that it changed from battery to wired. Also, when power is out, you will also get a notification that it is in battery mode. If you go to the advanced setting, you can toggle on and off the 4-second pre-recording, and you can also turn on the 24/7 continuous recording or have it in a schedule. Alright, now that I have ran it for a while, going to the timeline, if there are no events, it will start at the first hour of the day, and you can swipe along the timeline and you can browse the 24/7 recording like in a time-lapse, which a lot of you will appreciate. It is like the Nest timeline or the Ring snapshots. You can click the calendar icon on top to choose which day you want to check. And if there is an event on that day, it will go to that last motion event, and you can just swipe along the timeline. You can download the motion event to your phone by clicking the download button here. And this will be saved to your phone's album. But if you want to record a segment on the 24/7 timeline, just place it where you want it started and click the record button here. And click it again to stop the recording. And this clip will be saved to your phone's album. And just to check the recording, this is the motion event. And you will see that it started recording 4 seconds before it detected motion. And it is in 4K at 15 FPS. Now to the timeline recording, which is also in 4K at 15 FPS. Alright, now going to call out Eufy on another feature that this S3 Pro should have when they initially advertised this. And originally they said that this camera will also have the Ultra Daylight mode, which currently they still only have the standard, which is a bit dark, and daylight. It brightened up. Spotlights, which will turn on the built-in spotlights, and infrared. And I'm still hoping they will add the Ultra Daylight mode. Daylight is pretty good though. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.